Hello, welcome to another lecture. So in this lecture we are going to be talking about the mirror entities. So to start, let's draw a sketch on the front plane. And now let's draw a line somewhere around here. And make your line vertical. Make sure it's vertical. It doesn't really matter, but just to remember what we've done in the previous lecture, add a vertical relation to it. Then to mirror this line over, we need a center line. So we can either draw a line, let's just draw a line and make the line coincident with the origin point and make that line construction line. So you can either draw it that way, or you can select the center line from here and draw it. It's still going to be the same thing. So once you have your solid line and your construction line, so now you want to click the mirror entities. Entities to mirror, you want to select this line, and mirror about, you want to select this line and click OK. You want to leave that copy check and click OK. And that is how you mirror any object. So let's try another one. We are going to do a circle, and we're going to follow the same step. Mirror, entities to mirror this, mirror about that line, and click OK. Let's try one more. Wait, let's delete those two circles and let's draw a rectangle. Move it somewhere down. As long as it's on this side, it doesn't really matter. So mirror entity, entities to mirror. So with a rectangle, you want to make sure that you select all your line if that is what you are trying to mirror. Because if I select mirror about and I select this line, and as you can see, only this line is mirroring over. So to mirror the entire rectangle, you want to select this and select all your lines. And select this one, that one, and that one. And click OK. So now all your line has been mirrored over. So anyway, that is how you mirror in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.